If you thought last week's demolition was big, this week's was the real demolition. Oh my goodness. Look at this place. I'm coming to you from inside the washer dryer closet. Our washer dryer was built into this closet, and there was actually no way to shut off the gas line without putting a hole in the wall and reaching in. Like, there was no way to reach around it, and it was placed on the back wall. So how were you supposed to change the appliance? What if we needed to shut the gas off? Well, the good thing is it didn't matter because we were gonna take this down anyway. Glad it worked out. They had run PEX pipe through the cabinets, like literally drilled holes and threaded the pipes through each of the cabinets to get over to the washer dryer. So when we were breaking the cabinets apart, I thought the plumber has shut off the water. Well, guess what? It was attached before the shut off. Therefore, we ended up springing a leak. Luckily, the PEX piping could be kinked, so right now this is our temporary solution because we can't find our water shut off. So welcome to owning a house, I suppose. That was my hazing of the house.
Well, luckily the drain works.
So you know on New Year's Eve when there's like a balloon drop and everyone's like, woo! Well, we opened up the ceiling and it was a rat poop drop! Yeah!
Oh, God.
It was disgusting. It was so gross.
It was really, really
But
gross.
you know what? It's cleaned up now, so
yeah.
it
We
was.
cleaned up most of it.
Yes. I'm like, did I just step in it? This is where the washer dryer closet's gonna be. So it really makes a lot of sense, I think, because we have the back of the
It's our
tub
shower.
here.
Yeah.
So we should be able to get our hot and cold water here, and the gas line that will be from the stove should be easily moved over here, and we already have a drain right here. So it's kind of like everything you need for the fix-ins for a washer dryer.
And the most important.
Oh, and the most important thing. So above our tub is a space between the two joists, and there's nothing there. So that's where we can put the exhaust for our dryer. So it's gonna go like up and then over the tub and to the exterior wall that's on the other side of the tub. So that is hopefully going to work. Okay, but we still have an issue, which is back here in the bedroom. Let's see if it's still here. Ready? Yep, it smells terrible in here. It smells like mold. And we're worried because when we took the frame of this door off, we also see that there's some rotting wood down at the bottom. So we're like, what is happening? Tomorrow I have an environmental basement cleanup company coming to see about waterproofing. Like, we can't just sleep in a swamp. Hopefully what they'll say is that there's an easy solution that doesn't cost very much money. The good news is up here it looks like we can take this down so we can have our floor to ceiling pantry cabinet that we wanted. And this wall is going to move over here. There doesn't seem to be any reason that we can't do that. So that is excellent. Behind the walls was actually fairly clean. So there actually wasn't any rodent issues in the kitchen area. So the rodents were probably upstairs and then they were living in our ceiling. Hopefully they're gone. Hopefully. This closet's gone, right? Now the whole room feels like the pillars are in the middle of the room. When the closet was here, it felt like the pillars were all the way on this side of the room. So that means that this room is just already so much bigger, and we don't even feel it yet because of all the piles of rubble. But as soon as that gets cleared out, we're gonna be like, wow, this is a huge space. So I'm so excited for that, because then we're gonna start to really feel what our new floor plan is going to be. And I'm gonna make some mock-ups of the cabinets as well, so we can double check that the cabinets are exactly what we want, because we're gonna spend a lot of money on cabinets. They're so expensive, but they're gonna look so good. So we just wanna make sure that they're absolutely right, so that when we're gonna spend the money on it, we're not feeling like we spent money and it wasn't good. We're going to feel like we spent money and we're going to be like, we're so glad we did that. You can see how much, this is just so much trash. So they're coming tomorrow to pick up all of the trash and all of this trash as well. So we have sorted this. Hopefully we might be able to reuse some of this wood. I don't know. I'm going to ask the contractor. But this is basically everything here. More updates coming next week.
All right, guys. Bye for now.